If you have a house in Dublin, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Parichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Dublin, Ohio. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 types of sellers that we see on the day-to-day, and you can let me know in the comments below which type of seller you would be or you would call yourself. So seller number 1 is the retail type of seller, and this type of seller has a house in tip-top shape, and they're under no time constraints whatsoever. They don't care if the house sells in a day, a week, a year. It doesn't matter to them. House is in beautiful condition, and they don't care about foot traffic. So if that's you, if your house is in tip-top shape and you have all the time in the world and you want to get as much as you possibly can for the house, I'm going to tell you right now, we're probably not the best fit for you. Your best bet is to list the property with a licensed real estate agent or a realtor. They do a great job. There's many good realtors out there that'll put the house on the market. But with that comes, there's going to be some foot traffic. They might want to do an open house. They might want to send their inspectors. The buyer might want to send their inspections through and the appraisal if they're using a loan to buy the house. So yes, you might get the top price, but it's not going to close really on the date that you choose. It is going to be really relying on this buyer and their financing. And again, you know, the house pretty much should be in tip-top shape here because this buyer is going to send their inspector through, they're going to send an appraisal through, and they might want you to kind of remedy some things and have a request for you to do remedies. So, you know, if the house is in great shape, listing the property with a realtor might be your best bet. We work with a lot of sellers I would categorize as number 2 and number 3, and number 2 is the convenience type of seller, number 3 is the situation type seller. So first, the convenience type seller, maybe there's nothing really wrong with the house, or maybe, you know, it just needs a little bit of work, or maybe the seller's not confined and they don't have any tight deadlines or time frames that they need to close in, but maybe they just want to keep it super easy and they want certainty. That's exactly what we provide here at Sell House Columbus. We provide certainty because we are not relying on a bank or some kind of financial institution to give us the money. We're a cash buyer. So with that comes 2 main benefits to you, the seller. Number 1 is the closing date. You get to pick the closing date with us. If you want to close quickly, perfect. We'll close quickly since it's a cash purchase. Or if you need flexibility and you want to set a future date that's going to kind of coexist with any situation that you have going on, you know, if you're closing on a new house or you got to still pack up and move out or whatever, if there's something going on that you want to set a date in the future and you need that flexibility and you need that certainty, we're going to be a good fit since we are a cash buyer. So also, situation buyer, that's buyer number 3. And a lot of these situational type of buyers, they're looking for convenience, and that's exactly what we provide. But a situation that I'm referring to could be like a probate type of situation. It could be somebody who might be back on taxes or back on payments, some kind of financial bump in the road, or it could be, you know, a divorce or a breakup or something like that. If there's some type of situation going on, you're going to want to go the convenient path. You're going to want to work with a buyer that will provide you certainty, that will buy the house in its as-is condition. If you don't want to put any work into the house, we're going to be a good fit for you. So if that sounds like you, if you can be a little flexible on the price and you're looking to sell, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And by the way, when we talk to you about your house in Dublin, Ohio, it's a very easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and know more about the time frame on when you're looking to sell. Some people want to close fast, other people want flexibility, whatever the case may be. Let's discuss it and create a scenario that's going to be a good fit for you and a good fit for us. So we buy houses in Dublin and we work with sellers who are looking for something convenient, or maybe there's some type of situation going on where they kind of have to get some certainty or sell the house in its as-is condition. So if that sounds like you, or if you just want to see what your options are, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. We're not a call center. We're here in Central Ohio, been around for a long time. We have hundreds of reviews and testimonials and references we could share with you. We'd be happy to do that. We're going to treat you fair, and we do look forward to that opportunity. So if you have a house in Dublin, Ohio, we look forward to speaking with you, and we look forward to working with you.